I have an Electrolux oven with error code F239. It appears to be related to moisture in the touch panel, however I don't know what to do.
What happened just before your Electrolux oven displayed this message?
I was just cooking a slow pork roast and then it started to beep.
How long has this been going on with your Electrolux oven? What have you tried so far?
I think that it is only 3 years old and we have never had any issues. It happened last night and I have attempted to fix yet.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so.
Thanks for counting on JustAnswer to help with your appliance problem. My name is. I look forward to helping you. Sorry to hear you are having appliance trouble. I know how frustrating that can be. Your appliance uses electronic boards and sensors to control all operations. The control boards are essentially the brain of the appliance, and sometimes they just get a little confused, similar to a home computer, or even the human brain, and just need a little rest to reset and restore normal operation. A simple reset can be facilitated by simply unplugging or turning off the breaker to remove power from the appliance. Even with the control turned off, power is still applied to the electronic controls. To reset, it is important to allow ample time to ensure the capacitors, components that can store an electrical charge, are discharged to allow the electronic memory to reset. Power should be removed for at least 1 full hour to complete a proper reset of the electronics. If the behavior does not change after this reset, I suspect the touch panel may indeed need to be replaced, but believe it to be prudent to attempt to reset the electronics first. May I please have your appliance's model number so I am able to provide you with accurate, model-specific information?
Thanks for your advice. I will ask my tenants to turn the oven off at the fusebox. They sent me this picture of the oven's badge, however I am afraid it is hard to read.
That is indeed difficult to read, almost dizzying. Smile, I will see if I can find it. Please allow me just a few minutes to prepare some information for you, thank you. I have tried several combinations but not having much luck. Hopefully it will reset with the power cycle.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.